Hey there, folks! It's 2024, and home cleaning just got smarter. In this video, we're revealing the best robot vacuums of 2024. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for a cleaner home, stay tuned as we explore the top contenders in this cutting-edge world of robotic cleaning. Coming in at the third spot on our list of the best robot vacuums in 2024 is the iRobot Roomba J7. And let me tell you, it's a game changer in the world of automated cleaning. What sets the Roomba J7 apart are its remarkable features. First and foremost, it boasts an incredibly powerful cleaning system that intelligently adapts to your home's unique layout, thanks to its state-of-the-art precision vision navigation technology. This means it won't just randomly bump into things, it maneuvers smoothly and efficiently around obstacles. Plus, its clean base automatic dirt disposal takes the hassle out of emptying the dustbin. The Roomba J7 also features a high-efficiency filter that captures 99% of allergens and particles, making it an excellent air purifier as well. With a sleek design and compatibility with voice assistants, this robot vacuum offers both practicality and style in one package. The precision vision navigation of the Roomba J7 utilizes advanced camera-based navigation to intelligently map and clean your home with precision, avoiding obstacles efficiently. It also has a clean base automatic dirt disposal, which eliminates the need to frequently empty the dustbin by automatically transferring debris into an enclosed bag, reducing allergen exposure. Securing the second is the Eufy X9 Pro, a powerhouse in the world of automated cleaning. The Eufy X9 Pro impresses with a range of innovative features that make it a top choice for those seeking both convenience and efficiency in their cleaning routine. One standout feature is its laser distance sensor, LDS navigation system, which allows it to create precise maps of your home for methodical cleaning. With a powerful 3000 PA suction, it easily tackles dirt, debris, and pet hair on a variety of surfaces. But that's not all. It also offers mop functionality, making it a versatile cleaning companion. The X9 Pro boasts a large dustbin capacity, minimizing the need for frequent emptying, and its app compatibility lets you control it from your smartphone. With intelligent obstacle avoidance and a compact design, the Eufy X9 Pro combines advanced technology with practicality to keep your home spotless and fresh. Some key features of the Eufy X9 Pro include the large dustbin capacity, which reduces the frequency of emptying, enhancing the convenience of this robot vacuum. Another feature is its smartphone app control, which allows remote scheduling and monitoring via a user-friendly app. Lastly, it also comes with voice assistant compatibility, which works with voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free control. The Eufy X9 Pro's combination of advanced technology and practical features makes it an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a spotless and healthy home environment. Finally, at number 1, we have the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. This remarkable cleaning marvel is the epitome of innovation and efficiency in the world of robotic vacuums. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra raises the bar with its groundbreaking features, starting with its LiDAR navigation system, which enables incredibly precise mapping and navigation, ensuring not a single corner is left untouched. With a whopping 5,200 PA of suction power, it annihilates dirt and debris on any surface. What truly sets it apart is its 360-degree obstacle avoidance, guaranteeing a smooth and flawless cleaning experience. The S8 Pro Ultra offers simultaneous vacuuming and mopping, so your floors are not only spotless but also gleaming. Its large water tank and advanced mop system can handle extensive cleaning sessions without a hitch. With voice control, app customization, and even fine-tuned room cleaning options, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is a game-changer in automated cleaning. This vacuum comes with simultaneous vacuuming and mopping, offering both dry and wet cleaning in a single pass. The large water tank also allows you to hold ample water for extended mopping sessions. Overall, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is the pinnacle of cutting-edge technology in the robotic vacuum world, providing unmatched cleaning performance, precision, and convenience. It's a must-have for those who demand the best in automated home cleaning. In summary, 2024 marks an exciting year for robot vacuums. with cutting-edge features and top contenders. Whether it's powerful cleaning or smart integration you seek, there's a robot vacuum for you. Stay tuned for ongoing innovations in this space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay updated for more tech trends.